Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. We've got some tool deals to talk about today, and we're going to show you some special buys of the day at Home Depot. Before we do that, I wanted to show you a couple of deals that we saw at our local Home Depot yesterday that might be available at yours too. Okay, so right here we saw a kit here with the hole dozers that was $29.88. So there's your kit number right there on the tag. See if that one's available in your store, because that's a pretty good price to get those. Normally they're like $39 or more. And then we also spotted this M18 cordless multi-tool kit here, and for 99 bucks that's a steal, because you're getting the charger and a battery as well. And so this one was $99, and there's your kit number there. Now this kit's a screaming buy, because normally, as you can see here, it's $199 for this kit. So to get it for $99, it's an incredible deal. So check to see if they have that one at your store. And it may show, like here it says it's currently out of stock, but yet you saw the picture there, it was there. And folks, we've been telling you this for weeks now, that we've been seeing a lot of cases of this where it shows online, either at Home Depot or Lowe's website, that it's either not in stock or that it's a different price, and you get into the store and the price is cheaper. And I'll put a link in the video description below here for you that takes you right into these special buys. And, as you know, if you use those links, that's our affiliate link into Home Depot. And if you use those links and do any shopping through them, we get a small commission. And we thank you so much for supporting our channel in that way. That allows us to keep buying more tools to test for you folks, and producing more videos and remodeling videos and things like that. We appreciate your support. Okay, now getting back over here to the special buys of the day. Man, there are so many different tool types available here today. There's no real major theme here, but let's take a look at this. So you have the M18 fuel cutoff tool here is $5.99. So they got $300 off. Let's take a look at this one, because this is the kit. It comes with the two 12 amp hour batteries, and it also comes with a cutoff wheel. So this one is 33% off. And coming back up to the top, there's your bandsaw. They got, okay, so the bandsaw kit here is $200 off, 31% savings. Now this one here is only 20% off, but look at some of the tools that come in this one here. You're getting the fan, you're getting that M18 vacuum as well. They got the little radio. I don't think any of these are brushless though. But it's a 16 tool kit, and you're getting $400 off if you buy the entire kit. It all comes in 3 bags, so it has pretty much just about any tool you would need to get started. Now here is a grinder deal. This grinder is normally $219 by itself. Let's go check it out and confirm that. Yep, see, so here it is. Tool only is $219. So for $50 more, they're giving you a 6 amp hour battery and a charger and a bag. Okay, now coming down here, we see we got some other kits from Ridgid and Ryobi. So this Rigid kit, let's take a look at this one. This is your octane kit, and we see this deal come up quite a bit, actually. And so they've got 47% off today at $279. And it's interesting, is this a special buy of just today only? Okay, now on my live streams, when I walk through Home Depot and Lowe's, you guys are always asking me about, hey, is there any deals on the nailers? Well, we do have a whole bunch of deals that we're going to show you here on the brad nailers and crown nailers, staplers, and stuff like that today. Okay, now looking closely on this one, we have the Ridgid tool only. This is the Octane 1/4 inch impact. So this is 34% off, down to $99. And we've seen this deal a number of times in the past. And I'm not going to go through every single one of these here, but I do want to focus on some of these nailers. A lot of these kits we've seen before. Okay, so here you've got your 3/8 inch crown stapler. Now this kit here is $99. They're giving you $20 off. And let's see what the kit normally sells for. So, again, as we look at it, I just don't think they're saving you a whole lot of money here, because the stapler by itself is normally $80 anyhow. So for $20 more, they're giving you the battery. It's a little bit. It's better than nothing, but you're not going to see any groundbreaking deals on this one today. Okay, with these other two Ryobi deals with the nailers, again, they're not saving you a whole lot either. So you're getting the pair. This is your 18 gauge brad nailer and the 16 gauge finish nailer. So this kit's $229. You're saving 23% off. And by the way, these are tools only. I know I mentioned it's not a kit. These are tool only. But I have had a lot of people tell me that they like the Airstrike, though. We actually picked one up, and we're hoping to get around to doing our tool review video on this one. We're going to be comparing this Airstrike against our DeWalt pneumatic with the precision point. And so we're going to just see, how well does a Ryobi corded nailer stack up against a pneumatic nailer. Okay, so now here now we have our Ridgid 16 gauge finish nailer. And this one comes with a 50-foot hose, so 20% off is, okay. So they're giving us a little bit here. Let's see how much this tool normally goes for by itself. Yeah, so $129 is what you would normally see on that tool. So for $40 more, they're giving you the hose. So it's a minor deal, nothing to write home about. Now they have a couple of different flavors here on this inflator, this Ryobi inflator. Okay, now if you saw my community post from yesterday where I posted from inside our local Home Depot, we showed you that Ryobi has this P737 inflator that even though the stickers and everything in there say $36, it's actually $19.99 right now. And a number of you had reported back to me that you were able to go out and get this yesterday at that same price. But I just wanted to let you know that a number of people had warned us on this one that it's not like the world's best compressor, and other people had suggested, hey, look, buy the Milwaukee one for $40 when it comes down. And a lot of people also mentioned that, like Julian here says, hey, it does get really hot when inflating one full tire. I had a couple of other people mention that it takes a long time to charge up your tire. So here, Brickshoe said that the P731 is a better inflator. And of course, our good friend Shaka Gillis says no matter how low the price goes, it's still garbage. So anyway, this inflator is the Ryobi P738. Now, I don't know if this one's any better or not. But, they're throwing in the blower here for you. Yeah, so this other inflator is good for like mattresses and stuff like that. Yeah, some of these other Ryobi and Rigid kits are already sold out. The Jigsaw sold out. That looked like it was a pretty good deal there, if it was even available. Sometimes these deals aren't even available when they go live at 3 a.m. Yeah, the angled nailer over here is sold out, and Ridgid's other brad nailer is sold out. Okay, so Ryobi has some other deals on. See, I'm looking for the ones that have the higher % off. All right, so here's your Makita. Here's your brushless chainsaw. Okay, so this kit comes with a 5 amp hour battery and the charger. So $249. They're saving you $95 off this kit. And let's see what other goodies we have in store. Yeah, see, nothing really big, but items like this that we hardly ever see discounted, at least they're giving something. It's not a whole lot here. So here's their compressor, is $249. This one does come with the 2 batteries and the charger. So again, you're not going to see huge savings on these. Now, Milwaukee's compressor, that was $349. That's their new one, that the M18 one that they came out with earlier this year. We have seen that Milwaukee one as low as $279 on a special buy of the day. And now when you look here, so we've got Husky's 211-piece mechanics tool set for $119. Yeah, that's not too bad a deal. I prefer the Craftsman one that we got, and it was actually the Craftsman version, which was 216 pieces in that 3-drawer plastic case. I love that kit. That's better than this here. Although this is pretty compact here. This kind of looks almost like my channel lock kit that we got with the 200 pieces. So, I mean, it's an okay deal. It really should be closer to $99. But, you're going to wait a few months just to save $10. If you really had your heart set on that one, now's probably the time to get it. Okay, so we get these gear wrench ratcheting wrenches here. These are the shorter one, stubbies. And they're not saving you a whole lot, only $10 off. So as I look through our deals here today, it is kind of mostly hem and haw. It is kind of mostly, find myself still wanting something more, something deeper, something bigger in the discount range. So you've got the Milwaukee combination ratcheting wrench set here. This one is the 15-piece. Now, is it all SAE or is it split up? But this one's 44% off, though, $139. Okay, so this kit is all metric. And you got a 2.5 degree arc swing on this, which is really nice. And it looks like they're doing some blowout pricing here on the torch. So you got these torch carbides, and they're also throwing in the nitrous. That's the one that cuts through the iron, the cast iron pipes. And so $19.99 for this kit's a pretty decent deal. I hope that when we get some of our Christmas displays in there, that they come up with some more torch kits that have more blades in there. Yeah, and they sold out of the 4-pack of the DeWalt 25-footers already, the tape measures. Okay, so now looking at the lighting. So we've got the Rovers down to $99 again. And now here's their M18 light is down to $229. So this one's 43% off. But let's see. So this one's the 3,000 lumen version of the rocket light. But I still keep hoping that maybe they'll come up with a battery kit deal with this one where you buy the batteries and get this for free. Now you can see they're stacking up some of the battery deals here, and you're giving you anywhere from like 56% up to 69% off on the Ridgid batteries. And they got a bunch of clothing, which I'm not going to waste any time on there. Now, if you want to look at Klein's tradesman bag, so this job site bag is, it's only 15% off. So again, we're not seeing huge savings really today on a lot of the items that we would be interested in, I think. But if you're just looking for something, you need a tool today, and you want to come back and take a look at some of these other deals. So far, it's kind of, ho-hum. Okay, and then just a quick update in case you missed anything from us. Last night we did this live stream from In Lowe's, and we showed you some of the new Tool Zone deals that came up. Some are pretty good. A lot of you had mentioned that, hey, we don't have this in our store yet, but just be patient. Hopefully soon. And then yesterday we did 2 other videos where we showed you some of the leaked Black Friday ads from Sam's Club and from Walmart. Both of these Black Friday deals are being phased in over the coming weeks throughout November. So it's like they're piecemealing it. Each week there's something else coming out. And so that's what these break down for you and show you exactly what tool deals are coming in what week of November. Then again, we told you about this kit here, the 6-tool kit from DeWalt, and it has since been taken off their site. So some stores had it, some did not, and they will be coming out. So make sure you check out this video and see if this is the kit you want to get, because this was a really nice deal that we talked about. And then, of course, we talked about our how to repair damaged subfloor the other day. And then I wanted to remind you that coming up this Sunday night, we're going to reconvene. And if you remember, and if you haven't entered our contest yet, you better do it now. So we did our 100,000 subscriber tool giveaway announcement last Sunday, and we gave you the links in this video here on how to enter this contest. And there you can see the whole stack of different high-end tools that we're giving away. And so we're going to reconvene this Sunday night at 8 p.m. and end the giveaway and draw the winning entries out of this tool contest. So make sure you come back also this Sunday night and watch our live stream. That will be the bookend to this video here. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.